How to add Discord link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Discord on your device. Now simply go to your server. Now tap on the server name. Then tap on invite. Now simply tap on copy link. Now go back to the home screen and open up TikTok on your device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on account. Now simply tap on switch to business account. Then tap on next. Again tap on next. Now choose any category and tap on next. Then tap on skip. Again tap on skip. Then tap on the cross icon. Then tap on edit. Now if you have got more than 1000 followers, you will get an option for website. If you don't have one, simply tap on links. Then go to website. Then tap on get started. Again tap on get started. Now fill up the details and complete the business registration. Now once you do that, you can simply add the Discord link to the website. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.